The first activity we tried is the T-top rope course. It is the first of its kind in entire northeastern region of India, so it is definitely a must-try for everyone who visits Darjeeling. The rope course consists of 11 obstacles including the zip line, and the difficulty level of the obstacles vary from simple, moderate to difficult. Anyone interested can choose between 11 obstacles, 6 obstacles, 4 obstacles, or just the zip line. As it was my first time, so I chose to do the 4 obstacle activity along with the zip line. At each and every stage, the instructors present gave the instructions very clearly. Set up in the campus of Himalayan Mountaineering Institute, this tree-top rope course gets a big thumbs up from us and is highly recommended to you all. The next activity we tried in Darjeeling is indoor rock wall climbing at Cheema Indoor Rock Wall. It is also located in the HMI campus. With proper guidance, safety precautions, and at a nominal fee of ₹30, this experience is definitely a not to be missed when you're in Darjeeling. The word Darjeeling and toy train goes hand in hand, operating on a narrow gauge track since 1880s and providing an important transport link to various parts of Darjeeling Hills and the lower plains. The toy train of Darjeeling is an icon of our heritage since the colonial days. Riding the 2 hour of joyride will surely remain the most coveted experience of yours from Darjeeling, so definitely try it. Following the famous English proverb, "When in Rome, do as the Romans do," we change into the traditional costume of the Gorkhas. There are 3 places where you can change into their traditional attires and click pictures. One is a rock garden, second is a Batasya loop, and third is the Happy Valley Tea Estate. And we chose the last one.
There were few more activities like the ropeway and the climbing Tenzing Norgay rock that we missed due to time constraint. So friends, if you try them, do share your experience with us.
For more such amazing contents, subscribe to this channel.